Welcome to our complete guide on how to train AI on your voice. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of voice AI and its significance in our lives. Voice recognition technology helps AI learn your unique voice patterns, turning your words into actions. Choosing the right AI platform is crucial. Look for features like compatibility, user support, and customization options. Preparing your voice data involves careful recordings. Ensure a quiet environment and use quality equipment. Compiling your voice samples into a dataset effectively is essential for the AI to learn accurately. Let's dive into the step-by-step process for training your AI, ensuring it understands your voice perfectly. Testing your RE's performance is crucial. Make sure it accurately recognizes your voice in different conditions. Fine-tuning your AI model involves tweaking parameters for optimal performance after evaluation. Voice training comes with challenges like background noise and accents. Let's tackle some common troubleshooting tips. As we look to the future, voice AI is poised for innovation. Let's explore the trends to watch in 2025.